In this video, I'll show you how you can fix that you cannot see your timer when you're queuing up in League of Legends. Now if I click here, you'll see that I can see my timer up here, but for some people they cannot see the timer and they don't even see that they're in the queue, and then suddenly the queue pops up randomly and they have found a match. Now this usually happens in duoq when you switch between accounts. So the way that you can fix this is you want to head over to Task Manager. From in here, you want to go to Details, click on the name here, press R, find Write Clients, and then you want to end the task, press L, and end the League of Legends task. Just like that. Once you've done that, what you want to do is you want to simply open up League of Legends as you usually would. So just open up League of Legends, go in and make a new lobby, and then it should work perfectly. For some reason, I don't know why, it's some issue with League of Legends being opened in here, so you need to make sure you end the task on all Riot and League of Legends services. After that, you should be able to do it, and you should be able to play. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.